Dream big, start small. A story of a successful small business. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young man named Tom. He didn't have much money, but he had something more powerful, a dream. Tom wanted to open his own coffee shop, a place where people could sit, talk, and enjoy a warm cup of coffee. But when he shared his dream, people laughed at him. "You don't even have money to buy a coffee machine," they said. But Tom didn't give up. He didn't wait for a big chance. He decided to start small. Every morning, Tom made fresh coffee in his tiny kitchen. He poured it into cups and pushed a small cart outside a busy office building. He smiled at everyone and said, "Good morning, would you like some fresh coffee?" At first, people didn't notice him. Some ignored him. Some even told him to stop. But Tom believed in his dream. Day by day, more people started coming. They liked his coffee. They liked his kind smile. They said his coffee is simple. With the money he earned, Tom bought a better cart. Later, he rented a small shop. He called it Dream Beans Cafe. The same people who once laughed at him now came to his cafe every day. They talked. They laughed. They enjoyed the coffee made with heart. One day, a reporter visited and asked, "Tom, how did you build this business?" Tom smiled and replied, "I started small, but I never stopped dreaming." You don't need a lot of money to begin. You just need to believe in yourself. This is the story of Tom, the man who showed that big dreams can start from small steps. So if you have a dream, don't wait. Don't be afraid. Start where you are. Use what you have and keep going. Because small beginnings can lead to great success. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Everyday English Tips, helping you learn English through stories. See you in the next video.